Lymph is a clear, colorless fluid that circulates through the lymphatic system, a network of vessels and organs that help remove waste, toxins, and unwanted materials from the body. It plays a crucial role in the immune system by transporting white blood cells, lymphocytes, which help fight infections. Key functions of lymph. 1. Immune defense carries lymphocytes, T cells, and B cells that help fight infections and diseases. 2. Fluid balance helps drain excess fluid from tissues and return it to the bloodstream. 3. Nutrient transport absorbs fats and fat-soluble vitamins from the intestines and delivers them to the bloodstream. 4. Waste removal helps remove cellular debris, toxins, and pathogens. Lymphatic system components, lymph nodes, small, bean-shaped structures that filter lymph and house immune cells. Lymphatic vessels, thin tubes that carry lymph throughout the body. Spleen, filters blood and supports immune function. Thymus, helps in the development of T lymphocytes. Tonsils and adenoids, trap pathogens entering through the mouth and nose. Lymphatic disorders, lymphedema, swelling due to lymph fluid buildup. Lymphoma, cancer of the lymphatic system. Infections such as swollen lymph nodes due to bacterial or viral infections. Would you like more details on any specific aspect?